Welcome to the YOUBanking web browser client self-service setup, signing into YOUBanking for the first time and creating YOUBanking authenticators. To sign into your YOUBanking account, visit our website, ksstate.bank. In the upper right-hand corner, click the copper login button. This will open a panel inviting you to select your account. Make sure the box says YOUBanking and then click the purple YOUBanking button. This will bring you to our YOUBanking digital portal. The first time signing into YOUBanking after conversion, you may enter your existing username and password, then click Login. As part of our enhanced security measures, you'll be asked to select a method for us to contact you with a verification code. These methods, text, voice, or email, match the contact information that we have on file for you. If this information is not correct, please reach out to our client care team or visit a branch location to make changes. Choose your delivery method and click Next. After a brief wait, you'll receive a message by the delivery method you selected. Please note that it may take 2 to 3 minutes for a code to arrive via email. Selecting text is faster. As a general guideline, if your code has not arrived within 5 minutes, go ahead and click Request a New Code. Once you receive your notification, this message will have a 6-digit verification number. Enter that security code into the temporary identification code box and click Next. Now's the time to create your authenticators. As part of our commitment to keep your financial information secure, YOUBanking gives you the option to create biometric authenticators or a passkey to access your account. This additional layer of security provides peace of mind knowing that access to your account and authorization for transactions remains in your control. Please read our biometric privacy notice for details about the new authenticator process. Once you've read the information, you can check the box and click Decline or I agree. If you decline, please contact our Treasury management team to discuss the next steps for opting out of biometric authenticators. If you agree, the next steps will be to establish your identity verification measures. We know business is not always limited to the office, so you do have the ability to skip this step one time if you're on the move or not at your desk. However, the next time you log in, you will be required to finish this process. Before we begin, make sure that you've got your phone and your valid government-issued photo ID with you. We have 2 different types of authenticators, facial biometrics and a passkey. And with the facial biometrics, there are 2 possible options, so we'll start with those. Option 1 with facial biometrics, using the cell phone to take a selfie. First, you'll have the option to use your cell phone as a validation method. You'll receive instructions to scan a QR code, which will open the verification site. Follow the instructions on the screen to take a selfie as your identification method by lining up your face with the oval to capture your image. Once complete, click Continue to go to Step 2 of the phone verification process. Step 2 will ask you to choose a document type to upload. A non-expired driver's license, state ID, or passport are all acceptable items. The site will then walk you through taking a picture of your ID, front and back, to complete the verification process. You can then return to your browser and finish customizing your account login. Option 2 with facial biometrics, using the computer webcam to take a selfie. For this method, you'll have the option to use your computer webcam as a validation tool. Follow the instructions on the screen to take a selfie as your identification method by lining up your face with the oval to capture your image. Once complete, click Continue to go to Step 2 of the verification process. Step 2 will ask you to choose a document type to upload. A non-expired driver's license, state ID, or passport are all acceptable items. The site will then walk you through taking a picture of your ID, front and back, to complete the verification process. You can then return to your browser and finish customizing the account login. Using a passkey. Passkeys are a digital way to ensure account security without having to remember a password. Passkeys are stored on the device, and each device has its own unique passkey. For example, if you use your computer to log into your YOUBanking account, creating a passkey means that your computer has one part of the code and the YOUBanking digital portal has the other. Together, they provide the authorization to get into your account. If you log into your YOUBanking account from another device, such as your cell phone, your phone will need to have its own passkey, or you'll need to have your passkey stored in a digital password manager. Now that you've chosen your authentication methods, you're ready to continue with the YOUBanking conversion process. You'll be invited to enter your username and password, and yes, you can keep your existing username and password. If needed, click the link for guidance on our username and password requirements. Passwords cannot match or contain your username and cannot match any of the 5 previous passwords. There will be prompts on the screen to let you know if you meet the requirements for YOUBanking credentials. Once you've updated your username and password, click Next. This will bring you to our online banking agreement and disclosure. Please click the link to read the PDF version of our digital banking terms and conditions. Our system will not let you check the box until you have opened the document. When you're done, check the box and then click Finish. Welcome to your YOUBanking dashboard, where you can now perform all your banking needs. If you have any questions or notice that there is missing or incorrect information regarding your account, please feel free to contact us. You can use the Messages menu to send Treasury Management a secure message, give us a call at 800-588-6805, or stop by any of our branch locations and we'll be happy to help. Thank you for choosing KS State Bank.